Giant robots have always fascinated us, from the old 60s TV cartoon Gigantor to Optimus Prime and Transformers. Now, with the advent of amazing technology and incredible inventions, giant robots are becoming mind-blowing reality, especially the 16-foot 12-ton robot at the end. Check out this incredible feat of engineering. It's not just fantasy, it's a 9.5-foot tall giant robot dubbed Wire Mech. Without the use of any motors or hydraulics, it can duplicate its pilot's actions with incredible precision. The wired mech will mimic every movement you make with a fist shake, giving you the feeling of being a real driver of the massive robot. Thanks to the expertise of Legacy Effects and the Stan Winston studio, the wired mech was brought to life with a design that included a skeleton extending a parallelogram, and some reverse-engineered Japanese technology. The visually stunning result is a giant robot that is quite functional. The goal of this amazing creation is to prove the physical is catching up to the unbelievable in the digital world. This one is reminiscent of Star Wars Imperial Walkers. In 2005, a Japanese manufacturer would release the first genuine bipedal exoskeleton, dubbed the Landwalker. It seems sci-fi continues to inspire future inventions. Mechatrons and battle mechs have long been the sci-fi subject of books, comics, and movies. Cyborg sci-fi began with the 60s TV show The $6 Million Man, later RoboCop. Here we have Landwalker, weighing over a ton, and it shuffles about 1 mile per hour. Despite its size, it uses just 2 legs to move. Imagine such a large exoskeleton moving with the grace of a human. Wow. Initially, Landwalker was intended for exhibits and demonstrations. However, with the potential for psychological warfare, imagine seeing a platoon of Landwalkers coming at you. That would strike fear into the hearts of even the bravest soldiers. Additionally, Landwalker has a gun mounted on each side. Not to worry, they only fire rubber balls. Who knows what the future holds for these robots in time? Perhaps they could navigate the world's harshest and dangerous environments eventually. Geez, this one is huge. It's no ordinary robot, dubbed Kuratas Kiritos. It's an absolute behemoth, nearly 13 feet tall and weighing a whopping 5 tons. However, don't let the large size fool you. The robot can move at 6 miles per hour and is gasoline-fueled. To operate Kiritos, one climbs on and presses a button and then slips into the cockpit to control the robot. If that's not impressive enough, the robot can be controlled via smartphone through the internet. Even more interesting, Kiritos can be controlled by smiling. Yep, you heard that right. The robot takes cues from facial expressions. Who'd have thought? All it takes to fire is a smile. Definitely right out of a sci-fi film. Wait, there's more. Kiritos, with over 30 hydraulic joints, allows it to move its arms, legs, and torso freely. It fires water bottles and fireworks, displaying its potential for military applications. It even has a 6,000 round per minute BB Gatling gun, controlled by, you guessed it, a smile. Currently, it uses wheels to move, but they're working on walking capabilities. With its intriguing features and capabilities, Kiritos has great potential for modern warfare, and is the coolest robot for those who love robot technology. If interested, check out Wired's images of the team's garage and promotional videos, showing the robot driving through Tokyo. On that note, be sure to slam the like and subscribe buttons, or you'll be crushed by a giant robot. What has Jeff Bezos been up to now? He appeared at the Mars conference piloting a gigantic robot called the Method 2. An impressive 13.4 feet high, Hancock-Murray technology created the Method 2, the first bipedal robot to move 1.5 tons while following its operator's movement in real time. The saga of Method 2 starts in 2014 when Hancock-Murray Technology CEO Jinho Yang sent industrial designer Vitaly Bolgarov a request. The Method 2 is the result of Jinho's wanting to create something previously only imaginable in comic books and movies. Method 2 is distinctive and unlike any other robot we've seen. With a one-man cockpit, the pilot's hands attached to 2 mechanical levers, allowing large aluminum hands to move. Perfect for dangerous areas such as nuclear disasters, the robot's advanced engineering allows it to move large objects. Method 2 has various industrial applications despite looking like a billionaire toy or a sci-fi prop. Engineers are now developing radiation protection. The creation of Method 2 could also facilitate the sale of individual components. Creators plan to install a high-performance battery, allowing Method 2 to walk for about 3 hours. Currently, Method 2 walks like a drunken Hulk and is suspended from 2 steel cables like a baby walker. How about a comedic giant robot? Okay, well, Titan is not just any robot. He's a comedian who will crack you up with hilarious antics. Titan attracts huge crowds and makes them howl with laughter. He delivers corporate messages in ways people don't forget. Titan showcases your brand in a unique manner. He can interact with clients, display company trademarks, and amaze investors. Titan made his debut at the 2004 Glastonbury Festival and has since become a global phenomenon. Presidents, prime ministers, and aristocracy have enjoyed his performances. He even advanced to the semi-finals on Britain's Got Talent, wowing the judges with humorous jokes. However, he's not fully autonomous. That's right, Titan is electronically controlled by a human, but he's still an impressive piece of technology that stands at 7.2 feet tall and weighs 103.6 pounds. Titan has also performed alongside major celebrities, including Rihanna at Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards, also at Daybreak's Too Cool for School. He even appeared in Big Brother UK as a part of a Man vs. Machine task. Now he appears at Roboland in America, performing a 45-minute show 3 times a day. This one is pretty damn cool. Right out of a fairy tale or sci-fi flick, what could be cooler than a fire-breathing dragon? Dubbed AG Tradino, it has quite the mythical appearance. This mechatronic giant beast is for real, sporting a 2-liter turbo diesel engine, hundreds of hydraulic valves and sensors. The 11-ton monster is an engineering feat. The legs can move 7 degrees, allowing them to turn corners and move sideways. There's more. Tradino's wings are polyurethane and reinforced plastic. Also, it's filled with 24 pounds of liquid gas, along with 21 gallons of stage blood, allowing it to spit real dragon fire. The robot was created for a German play. With realistic movements and impressive size, Tradino is controlled by a complex system of radio-controlled modular units using Texas Instruments technology. The awesome level of detail and precision has made this creature come to life. But when it's not performing in the play, Tradino has moved on a transport vehicle with another 2-liter turbo diesel, which may not be as cool as a fire-breathing dragon, but still pretty cool. Talk about a steampunk dystopian theme. This could be WWE meets Monster Truck with a hint of Transformers. Only one robot stands above the rest. Enter Megabot's Eagle Prime. Towering 16 feet tall at 12 tons, this robot is the crown jewel of Megabot Inc.'s fleet of piloted robots. A sight to behold, costing a whopping $2.4 million to start. Eagle Prime is a hydraulic robot that has a 430 horsepower V8 Corvette engine. Still, Eagle Prime is quite slow. Also, 2 pilots see the outside world through external cameras, making for awkward movement. However, it's still cool in action. Who knew we'd enjoy watching a washing machine pulverized by Eagle Prime? It's pretty spectacular. But wait, there's more. A giant chainsaw cutting through a van is a sight to see. As impressive as it is, it still needs more speed. Originally, Eagle Prime was for starting a high-dollar robot fight league for stadiums. Megabots Inc. tried to make it work. Unfortunately, the company had money troubles and Eagle Prime went up for auction on eBay. Maybe one day we'll see Eagle Prime breaking new ground in the world of robot fighting. However, we can only imagine what might have been. Still, the innovation and ingenuity pushing boundaries is cool to watch. But what's more cool than watching giant robots? Watching another one of our videos.